Hi, my name is Akiva Goldman, and I'm an attorney from Goldman and Associates. And one of the things we specialize in at the law firm is defending truckers who've had tickets on the road. We're very good at it, and we'd be glad to help you out. And today I want to talk about what the cost is of having the firm help you do that. Before I do that, though, let me say that sometimes the things that I say will cause you to have questions, and if they do, circle back to us, and we'll be glad to help you out. What is the cost of defending a trucking ticket? Well, they vary, because you've got two sets of costs. You've got the attorney fees involved in the representation, and then you have potential penalties. And the penalties can really, be very significant in terms of what the court charges. There's a schedule of fines that might have to do with a load violations. They might charge a certain amount per axle, up to a minimum of generally up to a minimum of 3, but it can be hundreds of dollars a piece. For weight violations, for axle violations, for records violations, because you have to keep your logbooks up to date and all that. So there's a different set of fines associated with that. So even sometimes if you are cleared of the ticket, as a moneymaker, sometimes you're still paying the cost or the fine. So what you've got to look at when you're faced with a trucking ticket is not so much what's it going to cost, for my attorney, or what's it going to cost on the fine. You've got to look at what's it going to cost if you do nothing. If you do nothing and you don't defend it, you will be found responsible for it. Your company will probably end up having to pay that tab, and you know where that money's going to come from? It's going to come from your check in the form of either a deduction, or they're just not going to use you anymore. So it can become very, very costly to get involved in trucking tickets that are not resolved favorably. Therefore, if you're in that position, contact an expert, get someone who can help you out, give us a call, and we'll be glad to help you navigate through that.